Welcome. This presentation covers unified governance in the agentic era and how organizations must move beyond passive data catalogs to an active control plane, one that governs AI agents, compute, and data all in one place. The core problem is what we call the fragmentation tax. AI agents now execute at machine speed, but most enterprise architectures were never designed for that. The result is a tangled mess: brittle CDC pipelines, shadow infrastructure, sync latency, duplicated security policies, and inconsistent access controls spread across operational databases, BI tools, and AI scripts. The old approach, traditional catalogs like Alation, is a passive overlay. It indexes metadata, but remains disconnected from actual security enforcement. It can't see AI agent runtime execution and requires brittle ETL just to view operational data. Databricks Unity Catalog is fundamentally different. It's an active control plane with inline policy enforcement, a single universal ABAC security model, and native grounding and auditing of AI agents. The foundation of this approach is a single source of truth. Unity Catalog provides zero data movement and zero friction, connecting transactional apps, analytical reports, AI model training, and autonomous agents, all from a single governed copy of data. Pillar 1 is a single identity and security model. Define a policy once. For example, restrict PII where the user tag equals finance, and it is automatically enforced across every compute engine. The serverless SQL warehouse, the Python data engineering notebook, and Gen AI prompt execution. 1 definition. Universal enforcement. Pillar 2 is the LTAP architecture, unifying OLAP and OLP on a single copy of data with no ETL pipelines. The old fragmented world had an OLP database feeding into a data lake through a brittle CDC pipeline, then into a separate analytics engine. With LTAP, both a lakebase and a lakehouse sit on the same Delta Iceberg open storage layer, governed by Unity Catalog. No data duplication required. Lakebase closes the gap between transactional and analytical workloads. It handles 12 million or more database launches per day, natively governed, delivering full ACID semantics, cross-cloud disaster recovery, and instant Git-style snapshots, all sitting on the Unity storage layer with serverless postgres at its core. Pillar 3 addresses governing the agentic era itself. When an AI agent using the MCP protocol wants to access enterprise data, it must pass through a Unity Catalog verification gate that checks 3 things. Identity is validated, permissions are checked, and data quality is verified. Only then does it reach verified enterprise data. The Unity AI Gateway secures the entire AI layer. Every application request is routed through centralized guardrails, rate and cost limits, a PII data scanner, and safety and toxicity guardrails before being dispatched to OpenAI models, Anthropic models, or any custom-hosted model. 1 gateway. All models. Active control. Built-in access and cost controls empower business teams to build AI safely and cost-effectively. The platform provides usage tracking via system tables, cost observability through DBU tracking, and per-user budgets with strict tokens per minute and queries per minute limits, making AI spend visible and governable at every level. End-to-end observability is achieved through inference tables. Every interaction, from user prompt through AI model execution, is automatically logged to an inference delta table. Each record captures the status code, execution duration, the full request payload, and the response, giving absolute auditability for instant debugging and compliance. The synthesis is clear. Unification creates compounding value. At the base is a single data copy via LTAP, open storage. On top of that sits unified governance through Unity Catalog and Identity. At the apex is secure agentic AI, powered by the AI Gateway and Genie. Together they eliminate the integration tax for faster, compliant deployment. The active control plane delivers 3 decisive advantages. Active over passive. Policy is enforced at the compute layer, outpacing traditional metadata viewers. Zero ETL, LTAP integration unifies operational and analytical data directly in place. And AI-ready, the AI Gateway provides safe, audited grounding for every agentic workflow. The era of passive governance is over.